This is how professionals protect the first hour of the day. They begin with a finished daily brief instead of scattered inputs. Work rarely starts with clarity. It starts with tabs, slacks, emails, and rebuilding context, which means time gets lost before real thinking begins. So instead of starting from scratch every morning, I use a scheduled task in Opera Neon that prepares my daily brief and works across the Google tools I already use. In Neon Do, I just click the clock icon, set the instructions and schedule, and every weekday morning the brief is ready and gives me a clear frame for the day. And it's not just for planning the day. You can use the same setup to get the latest AI news every morning, track job listings, or have other useful information ready when the day begins. So when I open my laptop, the thinking part of the day can start immediately, because the structure is already there. I start a day with direction instead of noise. And that leaves more room for the work that actually matters. You can find the prompts used in this video in our Discord, so you can rebuild the setup yourself.